Thanks for tuning into the videocast at KABC.com. Chief Meteorologist Brian Busby here in the First Alert Weather Center. Rain showers moving off to the east. Cloudiness also following suit. Will clear out temporarily later on this evening, but advanced planning tomorrow. This low pressure area will start to bring down another chance of some showers, believe it or not, on the backside of the system. This is FutureScan picking it up at 11 o'clock tonight. We should be clear as a bell, but clouds start to roll in from the northwest. We'll see maybe a stray shower or two. The best chance, I think, will be in the afternoon and evening hours. Once again, it does look like these showers will try to ride down with the cloudiness that will be overhead. This is about 11 o'clock or 12 at noon or so. By mid-morning or early afternoon, we'll see thicker clouds across the region. A stray shower possible. This is now by about midnight on Friday, and by that time, those gusty winds will be taking over. It'll be a strong, blustery day as we're looking for winds to be every bit of 30 to 40 mile-an-hour gusts, which is why we're under this wind advisory until about 7 o'clock on your Thursday. Here's your 7-day forecast, 45 to 58 degrees with that chance of rain showers late in the day on Thursday, but even cooler than it was today, a blustery day. 43 to 56 degrees on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, both days looking dry, heating up on Sunday to 73 degrees. Another 80 on the books by Monday. Another chance of rain showers first portion of the day on Tuesday with a high back down to 70 degrees, but we pop right back up to 78 on Wednesday. As far as the probabilities of precipitation are concerned, in the wraparound, only about a 20% risk and then a 30% chance coming in early on Tuesday. That's your videocast at KMBC.com.